Are you trying to find your missing Samsung earbuds? Don't worry, as there's an easy way to locate your misplaced Galaxy Buds. In this short video, we'll show you the steps that you can do to find your missing earbuds in no time. Unlike traditional headphones, the modern Galaxy Buds do not have cords to restrain one or both earbuds from getting separated. If your earbuds are missing and you can't find it, don't worry, Samsung has thought about this possibility, and so there is a feature in the Galaxy wearable app that you can use to help you find your earbuds. If you lost the Galaxy Buds while connected to your phone, you can locate the misplaced earbuds using the Find My Earbuds feature. In order to use it, just go to Samsung wearable app, select Galaxy Buds, then at the bottom, tap Find My Earbuds. It will then send out a sound for you to find it. Just tap Start to begin. That's it. We hope this video is helpful to you. Hit subscribe for more videos in the future.